All right, so for size comparison, now you can tell that it really is 23 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this up on here. So there's your 23 on this side. And we're pulling 22 inches here. It's a short, chunky piece, but I figured it'd be a good warm up. And like I said, I like this kind of stuff for the vertical splitters, for the split 4 stuff. Just because oak is really nice to square up in those nice, pretty little chunks. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire up this 1824 gas machine, feed this in, and then just make some rounds. Should get about 4 pieces out of it. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, well, that was the 1824 gas, cutting through 23 inches worth of frozen oak rounds. And we'll stage these for a different video later on, just for a different day, because I know I got to get some hickory and some cherry bags down to Dom today. So that's what we're going to do in this next video. But this is the 12-way wedge that we're going to drop in. So I'm going to move the camera and get that going.